Hey, it's Dr. J. Hi, I wanted to do a quick video to show you all how to upload your syllabuses after you do your changes. So we are going to go into 3213. Okay, this is the actual course, and as you see, we're on Syllabus. So all you have to do is go down, make sure your syllabus is there, the template first of all, okay? You download it by clicking on it, and it starts downloading automatically. Then you make your changes in Word, and to update it, you go to Edit. Now your document is going to be editable. So everything in here is editable. Make sure you don't edit anything. So all you do is you highlight the text because it's going to be there. Then you would go to Files and you would find your document wherever you saved it. Here I saved it right here under 16 weeks. See where you click on that and it highlights it. Now, if you need to download your image, you simply click on Download New File. You would click the new file. You would find the file. I'm not going to do that now. Then the file would show up right here. You would have to click Upload once this button turns blue. When you hit Upload, then this section highlights and now it's updated. After that's finished, you go down to Update Syllabus. And now you are out of Edit. So this is what the students see. And just to double check, I always like to refresh my screen. Now you have the microscope right there that says Preview the document. You'd click on it and you'd be able to see all the changes. So since this is the template, nothing's been changed, but you would be able to view your changes here. You make sure the book is there, and right here it's actually a hyperlink right from this document, and everything else in your syllabus. All right, so if you have any questions about that, let me know, or again, you could just review this video. Changing the syllabus is super easy, so even if you make a mistake, you can always just go down and simply delete this entire text, type it in, and then upload your document from going to Edit. All right, let me know if you have any questions.